Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open up items with single clicking as opposed to double clicking on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in File Explorer Options. Best result should come back with File Explorer Options here. Go ahead and open that up. And then where it says click items as follows, select where it says single click to open an item, point to select, and you can select your options whether you want underline icons consistent with your browser or just underline icon titles only when you point at them. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.